Journal titled Managing Fisheries for Maximum Nutrient Yield. Managing Fisheries for Maximum Nutrition Yield explores strategies to optimize nutrient extraction from fisheries. It likely delves into sustainable practices, ecological consideration, and policy recommendation for achieving a balance between maximizing nutrient yield and preserving aquatic ecosystem. So, objective of this journal to investigate for nutrient extraction from fisheries and assess the sustainability of current fisheries management practices, identify methods to optimize nutrient yield without ecological harm, and propose responsible fisheries management strategies for maximum nutrient extraction, and contribute to the development of sustainable practices into the fisheries industry. The significance of these journals, number one, is food security. The study addressed the crucial role of fisheries in providing essential nutrients contributing to global food security. And number two is economic impact. So, optimizing nutrient extraction can benefit fishing communities and industries, ensuring economic stability while maintaining environmental integrity. Number three, policy guidance. The research may offer insight from policymakers in developing effective regulations and guidelines for sustainable fisheries management. Number four, environmental conservation. By exploring ways to maximize nutrient yield without ecological harm, the study promotes conservation efforts and biodiversity protection of aquatic environments. So, the methods of these journals, number one is stock assessment. Evaluate fish population to understand their size, health, and potential for sustainable harvesting. Ecosystem, number two, the ecosystem modeling. Use ecological models to simulate the impact of different management strategies of nutrient yield and ecosystem health. Number three is harvesting techniques. Explore innovative fishing methods that optimize nutrient extraction while minimizing bycatch and habitat disturbance. And four, the monitoring and surveillance. So, implement robust monitoring system to track fishing activities, enforcement, regulation, and assess the impact of nutrient yield. 5 policies framework. Propose and analyze policies that incentivize responsible fishing practices and promote sustainable nutrient extraction. Collaboration management. Explore community-based and collaborative approach involving fishermen, scientists, and policymakers for effective and sustainable fisheries management. To apply the principles from the article Managing Fisheries and Nutrient Yield, the Philippines consider the following strategies. So, the policy, number one, policy implementation. So, advocate for and contribute to development and policies that promote sustainable fisheries management, taking into account both nutrient yield and ecosystem health. Ensure effective enforcement of existing regulation to prevent overfishing and encourage responsible harvesting practices. So, sa community engagement, foster collaboration between local fishing communities, scientists, and government bodies to develop and implement sustainable fishing practices. Establish community-based management approach that empower local stakeholders in decision-making process. And technology innovation. To introduce and promote innovation, fishing technologies that minimize bycatch and habitat disturbance while maximizing nutrient extraction, encourage the adoption of eco-friendly fishing gear and practices that align with sustainable principles. Education awareness. Conduct the educational programs to raise awareness among fishermen and the general public about the importance of sustainable fisheries management. To provide training on responsible fishing practices, ecosystem conservation, and other long-term benefits of monitoring healthy fisheries. Invest scientific research to assess fish stock ecosystem dynamics and the impact of current fishing practices and on nutrient yield. Establish a comprehensive monitoring system to track fishing activities and enforce regulation effectively. Engage in international collaboration to share knowledge, experience, the best practices in sustainable fisheries management. So participate in regional initiatives aimed to addressing common challenges related to fisheries and nutrition extraction. So by implementing these strategies, the Philippines can work towards achieving balance between maximizing nutrient yield from fisheries and ensuring the long-term sustainability of marine ecosystem. Thank you.